Good morning. Good morning. Today is February 1st, 2022, and it's 7:30 in the morning, Eastern time. Uh, and you're taking a look at EJ right now. Real quick, the coinexx account that I had, the account blue, with the overnight of EJ. I was expecting price to drop down. Price went up, and you see where I ended up. I ended up closing out and buying, and then I closed here. I bought here and I closed here. Because I wanted to get into other things, something else. What I felt like would happen, what I was waiting for happen is a test of the trend line and then a drop. But that did not happen. So I went and I bought. Now I could have stayed in this and I would have hit take profit. And you're going to see a lot of that. I did my outlook for what I felt like was going to happen. And I was really surprised. All right, here's Aud Cad. I was in this on another account. I created another Oanda account because I felt like it would be safer than putting the money back in coinexx, since I'm going to be risking it for the biscuit, so to speak, without using stop losses for right now. This would be a high Batman if this came back. Nick called this, I don't remember where he called it at, but I bought over here and I ended up selling because price broke through the zone, and then price came back down and whoosh. Now I'm glad I would have eventually hit some kind of profit, but with the way that I've been holding these trades for multiple days, I'm kind of glad I got out where I did, and it was a small loss, a couple of dollars. All right, here's Chfjpy. Look what it did, y'all. It came back to where I was waiting for it. Waiting for it to go. Now I don't have any margin available. I do have some, but I'm not going to be taking any other trades right now because I'm getting ready to head out for the day. So CHF did come back to the zone. We'll see what it does. Euro NZD. Now I felt like price would come down, and price actually came below the zone and then shot up. So we'll see. I have my alert set in case it does come back that far down. AUD CHF, I was waiting for this to drop. It did come here. It came to the area and then took off. So I'm glad this is something I did not get into. AUD JPY, it came up, did the same thing. This is why they say wait for a retest right here. Price pulled below the zone. The next candle did nothing. The next candle after that tested it at the zone, and then it immediately pushed out. I think that's how I got caught out in AUD CHF. Here's AUD NZD. I was waiting for this to do two things. Let me zoom in. Said it would do one of two things. I was hoping price would come back down to the zone, and then I would be able to take a buy. And I was like, well, it could come out and test the channel, and that's what it did. It tested the channel, came out. These were the first 2 wicks of the day when market opened. Weren't they? When did it? Monday, right? Okay, so this was the first one. I thought this was the, I don't know what I was looking at. But regardless, it worked out. CAD CHF. I said this could do a few things, and it actually did. You see, I had set this one up right here in case price came back down to this zone. It did come back to the zone, and that would have been a good place for me to enter, but I was in other things. So it's nice to see that it worked out. USD JPY, I said this could do, I was looking for it to come down here and then go up. It did. It just happened later. Price consolidated. It would have been a good time to get in. CAD, JPY, AUD, USD. AUD, USD. My feelings are hurt a little bit. Now, had I gotten in on Friday, I would have been good to go. Look, that worked out beautifully. It just, we did not get another test of this zone. This whole thing is a zone, actually. We didn't get another, and I did not think of that on Monday. We did not get another test, but it did work out. So had I been in this one, that would have been a win. I'm not counting those. Had I been in this one, I wouldn't have entered that because I was waiting for it to go low. So I would have had one win. I would have had 2 wins. But I did have 1 win already. I had 1 win in the bag. All right, so UCAD. What I say on the thing, I said I was waiting for price to come up to this zone up here. I was waiting for price to come up to the zone and then come back down. We did not get that. So price played at this zone, and I felt like it was a safe enough bet for me to enter. And I did enter, and I took profit over here because I didn't have a take profit set, which I should have. It happened overnight. I was asleep. So that's a nice win for the books, a nice 50 pips. And now I'm in GJ. GJ was something else that I entered. Here's what I was looking to happen. I said, I wish I could make these lines go away. This looks discombobulated. I was waiting for price to hit the zone, right? And that's what it did. It hit the zone, and it dropped. So I was able to get in. Now we're waiting for it to break this trend line and keep going. All the other JPY trades that one's not moving much, but and that one's up. USD JPY moved a lot. CAD JPY moved twice as much as GBP JPY, and I think that's an NZD JPY is bullish today. But I'm waiting for this trend line to break, and hopefully we don't get more stagnant movement. Because at the overall, looking at everything overall on a naked chart, let's go to a higher time frame. We're in this level, we drop. In this level, we drop. We're in this level, let's drop. Let's go. Let's go down. And I was waiting for this to go down here as well, and price went up. And the same thing right here. Very nice. I would love to see how far down this would go. Look at this weekly zone right here. Nice. I would take this joint all the way down too. Let's remove this. Yeah, look at that. We have the bearish candles. This candle is obviously a retest. So this weekly candle should be bearish, and hopefully it breaks all of that. I would hold on if that happened, unless I found something that was going to move a little bit faster. So the account right now, again, I started the account with $25. And after I close out the UCAD trade, the balance is up to 2062. I can't remember if that's more or less than the last video. Uh, but oh yeah, it's less because I think our realized loss was less. So our realized loss is 378. Our unrealized profit is about 59 cents. And the trade is currently up 14 pips. Now I did open up another account. I started it with $100. I closed UCAD on it, AUD CAD on it. That was a loss. That one I closed in a loss. I took the sells and then I closed it at the same time because price broke above the zone. And that was a nick call. Had I stayed in it, I would have closed in profit, just, giving it another hour. But I believe I had entered the UCAD by then anyway, which worked out for me. That brought me back up. Account summary, you see the balances were up 16% on the account, which is outstanding, because it's better than a bank account. You know what I'm saying? And our GBP JPY trade now, I would prefer to stay with the USD pairs because the leverage is different. I believe the leverage on GBP JPY for Oanda is 1 in 20. And I'm not sure why, and I can't remember how to check it. I can't remember how to check the leverage, but I do know that it's different because I've seen it in the past. So what could be, a 5,000 units, I have to take less. I have to use less, but that's okay because I'm almost positive that this is going to fall. All right, let's take a look at US 30. US 30 popped up yesterday, last day of the month. I'm not sold. I'm not sold that we're not going down, but I can't trade this anyway. I do watch it because yeah, man, that's another one of those things. It pushed down a bullish candle, and this one should drop it like it's hot. And we have the divergence on the weekly. Come on. So I'm not convinced that this is bullish. I'm not. Gold. Now gold I would like to see be bullish. Though I have no use for trading it, it is nice to look at. Crypto. Bitcoin is up 200 pips today, 200 points, $200, I suppose, since that's money. Okay, so let's move this. So I said back to the zone, and then we're going to drop. Price has steadily, gradually been on the rise the last couple of days. I'm sure people who trade crypto are just angsty about it because that's a long time to sit and wait. But I'm not sold that it's bullish. I'm not. All right, going to the monthly, I had made this a thing. I published this right here. I said price can go any of the 4 ways. Right now we're at the second way where it is a bounce from this zone. So I'd expect to see another test of this zone right here before a move up if that does happen. BTTC. Oh, let's go to the daily. I'm not sure what this is going to do. I could get in crypto. I'm not sure if this is on KuCoin, but since I'm not bullish on Bitcoin, I wouldn't get into any cryptos right now. I wouldn't do that. It's not about timing the market or anything. It's just I cringe when I when I look at price drop and knowing anything can happen. For when I feel like this is a good spot for me to get in at. But again, I'm not going to do that to myself right now. Maybe next week once I see, well, actually I can get in here, recoup all the money that I've lost on this since last April. Sadness. Stocks went up yesterday, obviously, with the US 30 going up. Let's go. This is QuantumScape, which I have mentioned a few times. I expect this is going to be the stock that makes me rich. So I'm going to put money into Fidelity. Remember I said I'm not convinced that the US 30 is bullish. If that drops, a lot of this stuff will drop. But I also said I'm not trying to time the market, and this is a great price to get in at. Unfortunately, I'm probably going to be driving at market open because I could set limits though. I'm probably going to be driving at market open because I have an appointment this morning. Nikola, still under $10, a great price. As I said, anything, man, I could just stack this. I could stack both of these and be perfectly fine. But I want to get into, I need to start building my dividend stocks. I need to start building the dividend stocks. So we'll see. This was just a quick update. I just wanted to do an update because I said I was going to be updating, and I hope to do another video closer to the end of the week. Today's the 1st. I will want to do another video on 1, 2, 3. I'll do another video on the 3rd unless something awesome or devastating happens, because I have to do a health video update then as well. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. If you can film me on any of these setups, let me know. If not, let me know that too. I'm down to talk about it. Have a great day.